Today I'm going to show you how to bedazzle this floral coach perfume. You're going to need your perfume bottle. This is an empty bottle and I love this scent. I'm using AB Jelly Rhinestones in sizes 2M through 5M. I'm using a wax pencil. Today I'm using B7000 glue. And we're going to get started. Of course, I like to do the honeycomb method. If you don't know what the honeycomb method is, it's placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones to make a honeycomb-like pattern. I just randomly placed one line and I followed that line, straightened it out as much as possible to make sure that it was like the perfect foundation line. It may not be perfectly straight, but I think I got close to it being as perfectly straight ever, like for any project. And I just kind of winged it. But moving right along, yes, I'm doing the honeycomb method. I'm using a size SS20 or 5M rhinestone as my main stone. I like the 5M rhinestone because it's so easy to work with and it gets the projects done really fast. Do not do 3M. You will stress yourself out. You don't need that stress. I'm telling you, start off with 5M. It makes the project go by so much faster. I did this in 40 minutes. If I can, you can too. You could do the honeycomb method diagonally. You could do it up, down, flip, flop, whatever. As long as you place a rhinestone in between every two rhinestones, you cannot go wrong. And that's how this turns out so good because I'm just placing a rhinestone in between two rhinestones and it looks like a honeycomb. And I'm happy I went with this route because I thought about doing the scatter method, but I said no. But yes, moving right along, I'm placing some filler stones at the top here to make it look really seamless. Whatever size fits, that's what I'm going to go with. And then on the front of the perfume bottom is like a horse and carriage type of thing. So I just kind of made like a foundation line right underneath that. And I'm placing like just a straight line first. And I'm going in with the honeycomb pattern. And I just have to say, I love the AB Jelly Rhinestones. They do have like this little sparkle to them, like a soft sparkle to them. And it just really turned this into something amazing. And yeah, I would definitely do this again. I think I like bedazzling my empty perfume bottles. And I have a lot. And I wish I would have kept the other one that I had prior to this one because I could have used a different color just to show you the difference. But moving right along, this is me going in to give it a little bit of dimension. I'm trying to get the spaces that's kind of like not connected to the picture and add rhinestones so it only shows that little horse and carriage. But it was hard. It was very tricky. I didn't have, zoom like this on my eyes. I wish I could just press zoom on my eyes so I could see. It was very tricky. I took a few breaks in between because I really couldn't see the design or the logo. So it was really challenging. I wish it would have just said coach, but I think it worked out okay. Maybe I get another one. I can put a little coach logo on it and work my way with that. I don't know. I have a million perfume bottles. So I thought, why not just make use of them and show you how I bedazzled them. And here I'm just continuing with the honeycomb method, going up on the side there. And as you can see, it's so weird. Everything just lined up perfectly. Well, it's expected on this side because I did follow the bottom of the horse and carriage as my foundation line. So that kind of worked out in my favor. And I'm applying just smaller stones here. When you apply the filler stones, try to go with the smaller size because sometimes that bigger stone just won't fit. Like I noticed that instead of using a 3M, it was better to use two sizes of the 2M rhinestone instead. So yeah, if it's small, then just go with it. Don't even risk it. But here I'm doing on the side. This is more like a scatter method. Just placing random size rhinestones here to make it look really seamless because I know that both sides didn't line up evenly. They did, but they didn't. So this kind of blends it in a little bit without taking away from the honeycomb pattern. So just take your time. If you want to do the honeycomb pattern, go ahead. But the shape of this bottle was a little different, and that's why I did that. But, and I did put some at the bottom too. But here is the final project. I love it. I mean, I'm not going to stop here. Okay, you're going to see a lot of this. But let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you again for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.